was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of
YouTube, what it do, man? Shit, we jamming out here. Man. But what we finna do, we finna pull Cayenne out, man. Today is beautiful, man. So I'm finna pull it out, watch it real quick. Got a busy day. Gotta go pick Paris up. Todd should be done with my truck today. I had to take Zeus down there to get looked over. I had a little antifreeze leak, and he checked over things while he had the truck. So, I'm about to get ready to put that thing on the highway. I got to talk to y'all about that too, about my Carshow tour coming up, man. but yeah, man, today is beautiful. I just want to ride in Cayenne again, man. So I'm gonna pull her out. Penny over there resting. We're gonna pull Cayenne out, spray her down, give her a quick wash real quick, and put a little slob on the tire, man, so we can get out. It's 12 noon now, so let's get to it, man. 78 Chevy boy. All right. I gotta hit you with that cold start, man. Got all them t-shirts in too, baby. Got them t-shirts, them white and black joints in for the show. The official, the t-shirt they got the fly on it that I showed y'all. Yes, sir. Finna go down, man. It's just the first batch. I gotta give me a couple more batches. All right, cold start, baby. Yeah, man. Just got the brother stop by, man. Y'all wouldn't even believe how much support I've been getting, bro. The homie Darren just stopped by. I'm gonna insert a picture in here so y'all can see him. I did take a picture with him. I ain't get a chance to get him on video. I don't know what I was thinking. But, man, he stopped by, bought 6 tickets. I should have gave him a t-shirt. Man, 6 tickets, and he gave me $100, man. He like, man, that go $100 just for you. Just for being so positive, what you doing for, you know what I'm saying? Bringing the positivity you bringing and what you doing for the car culture, man. Keep doing what you doing. And I'll see you at the show, man. Bought 6 tickets and donated $100. And he gave me a set of trailer rims, man. I'm gonna have to show y'all the trailer rims. He said they some 14s. He said he ain't got no use for them. They brand new in the box. Told me I can do whatever I want to do with them. So, man, if don't nobody buy them, I might just put them on a marketplace for sale and just use that money towards the show, man. Man, I'm talking about really been getting blessed, man. God been blessing me, man. Putting people put me in a position and being around people and just putting it on people hard to bless me. You know what I'm saying? That's a real blessing. Hey, I can't thank nobody but the man up above. So y'all keep it locked. Just finished washing my baby up. Cayenne clean. So she ready to ride, but we gotta go pick Zeus up, man. My mechanic just called and said Zeus ready. So we had to pick up Zeus. But Cayenne ready. Soon we get back, we jumping in that jump. So they Chevy boy, keep it locked. Alright. Got big Zeus, baby. Got big Zeus. Zeus and little ice cube. Oh, okay. Say what? All right, yeah, come. Let's get it. Oh, man. Woo. Watch this, baby. Gotta put that roof on tilt. Put that roof on tilt. Open that back window. Open that back window. Yeah, man, the homie Nick pulled that clean MC out today, man. Y'all don't see this car too much, man. He don't bring it out that much. But I'm talking about clean. Kept the Euro front. Got the lights in that joint, LED lights. And got the rose gold accents on that joint, man. Got the rose gold Assantes. Hey, everything up, man. Riding real clean and proper. Not too much. Just enough. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about Nick, man. For real. We meeting up. About to hook up with some more guys y'all already know in a minute. It's finna be a car show. It's about to be a car show, man. So check him out. He got the steering wheel to match. Sunroof. And he got that bang in that joint, boy. He got that bang in there too. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Then you got the homie Herb, man. Clean GP. Told you, man, we got so many G-body here in the city, man. One thing about these GP, though, you don't see too many on the town here in Memphis. I can name 3 real clean ones right off. It might be more, but I know Herb got one. The homie Jazz over at Certified Custom, he got one. And then you got the homie Lamar with the dark blue one, man. I gotta make sure I get Jazz and Lamar on that joint so y'all can see what them boys working with, man. All them boys clean though. Hopefully I can get all 3 line up one day, man. Show y'all, you know, y'all already know it's connect and never compete, man. 78 Chevy boy. That's how we do it, man. Keep it locked. Colored boy, man. Let us go and get in traffic, man. Let's go and get in traffic. Big black. Yeah. Look at my homeboy right there. that short bed. That's his project. He's like, man, I gotta get out and ride, man, because I drop it off at the paint shop Monday. He said, I got to ride a little bit. I said, well, come on out then, bro. Come on out then. What's going on, man? Y'all, what y'all know about 787 boy, man? What's up, homie?
I don't watch you for a while, man.
For real?
Yeah.
Man, that what's up, man. I love when I hear the young guys say they watch me, man. You know, a lot of young guys ain't on what we on, man.
But this don't look so good in person.
Appreciate it, man. Go on, check it out. What's up, homie? You all right? I'm waiting on them to call me now, man. Any day now. So I'm gonna go with chocolate, like chocolate with the red stitching in it.
I'm gonna get ready to paint that joint.
This your square body?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had an LT in.
That what you got in there? Yeah. Okay. That was what, 5'3" or 6'2"?
5'3".
5'3".
I just smoking motherfucking 6 hours.
Yeah, cause they them Johns actually the 5'3" LT got just as much as a 6'0". Yeah. I see you kept it stock. You ain't put no cam or nothing in it. Yeah.
I like driving my shit. I got AC.
Yeah. That's what I told him. I said, man, I hope my boy pumping that AC. I hope he ain't flying over there.
Hell no. I blow like a fucking brand new truck.
Yeah. What up, Chris? Yeah, man.
I had one. I five.
For real.
I liked it. Then I blew the motor. Then I got rid of it.
Yeah, I always have like these trucks, man. I was like, get it. I'm gonna go on snap one. Yep, and I actually put it together quicker than I thought I was gonna put it together. Cause it's so, you know, they got the parts for it.
What do you do? I know you.
Y'all hear him? The man said we gonna be there May 15th.
Yeah, we're gonna be there May 15th.
All right. I see y'all there. I'm gonna hold y'all. What's your name? Terrio.
Davies.
And Davies. All right. Y'all take it easy, bro. All right. Yes, sir. See the homie with the square body say he finna get it painted. That boy got a real sleeper, man. He got a real sleeper in that thing. And he blowing AC. He said he is not playing. He is not one of them. That boy said he blowing his AC, man. So don't think he flies, because I sure said, I hope homeboy got some AC. He ain't over there flying, man. Solid truck, man. Solid truck. Yes, sir. Oh, he finna pop it. He finna pop it for you. He finna pop it for you. See what's going on up on there. What's up? LT, like he said. And he blowing the AC. Man, who did your motor work?
Me. I don't let nobody work on my car.
You did it yourself?
Yeah, I got a shop.
Oh, did that, man. Did that. LT, y'all. Did his own work. Man, that was up.
He's like snowball.
I had to get with you, man. I had to stop by your shop or something, man.
I had message you on YouTube.
Well, see, you know, them be comments. You know what I'm saying? I don't get a chance.
I was looking for somebody to do the rear end.
Oh, yeah. You already got it done?
I just bought my stuff.
I'm gonna give you a number. Down in Arlington.
I showed her the fucking take it to me.
Cold.
I'm gonna go 410. They got a 6-speed transmission. I'll let nobody touch this truck.
Look like you did a good job to me, shit.
That machine up under the rock.
Hold on, let me
I be sleeping.
take the number. Take the number.
I was gonna keep it between the loose.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Bring it on, man. Big leg, man. Big leg. Come here. Them 6s or 8s? 6s, them over look big, boy. See it, man. Big leg thing, man. Big leg with the pearl in it. pearl in that thing. Quit playing with it. Quit playing with it.
I guess I have to say,
Yeah, tell him we're gonna pull off in a minute. Oh, see, we just out here chilling, man. We just out here chilling. We finna go to Happy Mexican. We finna go back to the east, man, 'cause they blocking all the streets off down here. Down there by the farm and stuff like they did last time. So, man, we finna go out here by Happy Mexican, chill in the back, grab something to eat, and just hang, man, until it starts to thin out, man. Y'all wait to see what Big Bro got in store for this joint, man. I ain't even gonna tell y'all. I ain't giving no clues or nothing. But y'all just keep it locked, man. Keep it locked. What's up? Hey, BJ jumping out here, man. He a younger cat. I think BJ say he about 27, but he like hanging with us, man. He like the vibe. So when I was on my way down here today, I texted him. I said, "Little bro, I'm headed downtown, man. Headed downtown." He said, "Drop your location. I'm headed up." He pulled right on up, man. What's up? Said, "Hey, Chevy boy." See what's going on, man. What's up? Keep it locked, man.
78 Chevy Boy presents the Connecting, Never Competing Car Show. Going down in a major way, man. 5/15/22. Mark your calendars.
We're going up.
Everybody is invited, man. Low riders, old school, new school, lifted trucks, slingshots, motorcycles, it don't matter. It's a big reunion for the culture. Come on out, have a good time, pop your tent up, sit back, relax, network, link up. That's what it's about, man. Connecting, never competing. Get ready. Mark your calendars. 5/15/22.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven,